Welcome to another Eating Art Challenge from Two Old Farts, selected from an international portfolio of artists and put on the menu today just for you. If you could eat this art, what would it taste like? It's a challenge, so post all your comments. We're interested to know. Do you have your own art? Just contact us. We'll add it to the challenge. If you like the art you saw today, you may even be able to change the destiny of this artist simply by sharing this challenge with family and friends.